Good morning, children. Welcome back to Science Online class. Children, in the last class, we have seen the root, stem, leaf, and its function, right? Yes. I hope you all have learned the topic well. Children, today I am going to tell you about the next part of the plant is flowers, fruits, and seeds. Children, can you tell me what is the food of butterflies? Good. Honey. Where do they get it from? Flowers. Good. Children, tell me, name a fruit having one seed. Yes, mango. Name a fruit with many seeds. Watermelon, pomegranate. Okay. Can we eat seeds? Yes. Good. Children, now let us move to today's topic. Flowers. Flowers grow on stems. A flower is the most beautiful part of the plant. Most flowers are brightly colored and have a sweet smell. Some flowers have a pleasant smell. Example, jasmine, rose. Flower is the reproductive organ of a plant. Flowers are of different shapes and colors. Some flowers change into fruits. Functions of a flower. They help the plant to reproduce. Most flowers change into fruits which may bear seeds. The seeds grow into new plants. Cauliflower and broccoli are the examples of flowers that we eat. Next, fruit. Most fruits have seeds inside them. Some seeds grow into new plants. Fruits like watermelon and papaya have many seeds. Fruits like oranges, apples, and lemon have a few seeds. Fruits like plum, lychee, and mango have only one seed inside them. Fruits like banana have no seed inside them. We eat the fruits of many plants. Next, seed. Seeds are different shapes, size, and colors. We eat seeds of plants such as wheat, gram, corn, rice, and bean. Such seeds are called edible seeds. Spices such as mustard and cumin add flavor to our food. Children, take your science book. Turn page number 72. Flowers. Most flowers are brightly colored and have a sweet smell. Some flowers have a pleasant smell. Most flowers change into fruits. Underline the word flowers change into fruits. Most fruits have one or more seeds inside them. Underline the word fruits have one or more seeds. Seeds grow into new plants. Underline the word seeds grow into new plants. Thus, flowers are important to a plant as they help it to reproduce. Cauliflower and broccoli are the examples of flowers that we eat. Underline the word cauliflower, broccoli, flowers that we eat. Next, page number 73. Fruits. Fruits such as mango, lychee, and plum have a single seed inside them. Underline the word mango, lychee, plum, single seed. Next, fruits such as apple, orange, and lemon have a few seeds inside them. Underline the word apple, orange, lemon. Few seeds inside them. Underline the word. Next, fruits such as pomegranate, papaya, and watermelon have many seeds. Underline the word pomegranate, papaya, watermelon, many seeds. We eat fruits of many plants. Next, seeds. Seeds are of different shapes, size, and colors. We eat seeds of plants such as wheat, gram, corn, rice, and bean. Such seeds are called edible seeds. Underline the word. We eat seeds of plants, wheat, gram, corn, rice, and bean. Such seeds are called, underline the word, edible seeds. Spices such as mustard and cumin add flavor to our food. Underline the word spices, mustard, cumin add flavor to our food. Underline the word. Children, take your science booklet. Lesson 7. Parts of a plant. Children, already we have written 3 questions, right? Now you write the 4th one. What are edible seeds? Name 2 seeds used as spices. Seeds of plants such as wheat, gram, corn, rice, and bean are known as edible seeds. Spices such as cumin and mustard add flavor to our food.